Surprising your boyfriend can make you closer and make both of you feel good. Pay attention to his likes and interests by observing his conversations and activities. Write down ideas for future surprises and be willing to make sacrifices for shared experiences. Create a unique gift or experience to show how much he means to you. The size or cost of the surprise doesn't matter. Even small gestures are meaningful. Surprise him with gifts he wants or affordable items related to his interest. Plan special outings, attend events he enjoys, or give him a day off to make decisions. Cook his favorite meal, plan a picnic or restaurant date, or take him on a food tour. Surprise him with lunch at work. Simple gestures like fueling his car, watching his favorite movie, or cleaning up his place can also be appreciated. Consider hosting a surprise party at his friend's house or his favorite venue, and don't forget to provide his favorite food and drinks.